Hi team, this is the last piece of the puzzle that completes my application for Administrative Wizard. There are so many reasons why I want to work with you, so I'll keep the list as short as I can. 1, I just do a really good job. Number 2, I'm a writer. I have been a writer for a long time. And number 3, I'm a teacher and understand all of the creativeness behind that task. 4, being able to give a part of my day job to focus more on writing would help me, which in turn would help you and all of the DIY MFA students. And lastly, there is this little guy. That's Tigger, and he loves to have his mom at home. This, he thinks, would be totally awesome if mom was spending more time at home. I hope you give my application serious consideration, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.